Hi everyone. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia full-size 3-row SUV is new from the ground up, a bigger, flashier, more sophisticated full-size SUV than the one it replaces. It shares its greasy bits with the Toyota Tundra pickup, the Lexus LX full-size luxury SUV, and the newest Toyota Land Cruiser. That means the Sequoia benefits from all the Tundras and LX's significant improvements, including new, more efficient engines and a far more upscale interior. It's big, bold, and exactly what most full-size SUV buyers want and expect from such a massive ride. The Sequoia, named for Toyota's largest SUV, represents its stature in addition to its long-lasting quality, durability, and reliability. The last generation also lasted a long time in showrooms, running from 2008 to 2022 without a major redesign. That has changed for 2023 with the launch of an all-new Sequoia. Outside, the Capstone grade sits atop the Sequoia lineup, building upon the great features of Platinum while adding additional top-shelf features to make it the most luxurious Sequoia to date. Capstone features unique chrome accents to provide an upscale appearance, with the most eye-catching feature being the standard 22-inch chrome wheels, a first for Sequoia and exclusive to Capstone. A wide variety of colors are available on the all-new Sequoia, including white, wind-chill pearl, celestial silver, lunar rock, magnetic gray metallic, blueprint, army green, midnight black metallic, smoked mesquite, and supersonic red. Inside, the premium cabin experience begins at the first step with standard power running boards that provide access to the standard semi-aniline leather-trimmed seats. Not only are the seats luxury grade, but they also tout stylish perforation and a Capstone exclusive black and white color combination. On the dash, the walnut pieces surround a Capstone logo that is accentuated with LED mood lighting when the doors are opened. To help provide an even quieter cabin, Capstone is the only Sequoia grade to feature acoustic glass in the front doors for more exterior sound deadening. Sequoia will be fitted with the new multimedia system first launched in Tundra. It is headlined by a large 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen that controls the all-new Toyota audio multimedia system designed and engineered by Toyota's Texas-based Connected Technologies team. With Intelligent Assistant available through Drive Connect, simple phrases like "Hey Toyota" awakens the system for voice-activated commands to search for directions, find poise, adjust audio controls, change the cabin temperatures and more. It also supports standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Under the hood, the 2023 Sequoia comes standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain that's optional in the Tundra. This powertrain is comprised of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that produces a total of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra's 10-speed automatic transmission carries over to the Sequoia SUV as well. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with four-wheel drive optional on most versions. The four-wheel drive Sequoia Capstone accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds and reached a quarter mile in 14.3 seconds at 94 miles per hour. Since full-size SUVs need to do it all, towing, whether it be a trailer, boat, or RV, is high on that list of demands. That's why the all-new Sequoia offers up to an impressive 9,000-pound maximum towing capacity, a nearly 22% increase over the prior generation. Drive Mode Select is an all-new feature on Sequoia, offering different driving modes depending upon driver preference, and it includes standard settings Eco, Normal, and Sport. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.